guys? We are back with another update, man, and today is the wonderful Sunday in lovely Los Angeles. You got the beautiful women down there, you got palm trees, you got nice buildings and good views, man. So we're actually about to go hang out with the buddies for a little bit, man. We've been kicking back all day, you know. We've been going hard the last month straight, so just about to go hang out with the buddies and see what type of footage we can grab. See if we can get some dope footage in the canyons or something. So hang out with me today, man, and stay tuned. I know it'll be easier for me to just meet up with these guys along the freeway, and let's just see how sick this pull-up game is gonna be today, man. You know, I'm not in my whip, but hopefully the homies can back me up and get something going. I don't know, but we'll check it out. Oh yeah, I'm seeing about 20 cars pull out, man. I'm mad I'm not in mine. That's crazy. Now you see why I should have pulled mine out. We could have been big cruising with me. See, watch. Let's see something. Got all the homies out here. You feel me? This is how they pull up just for me, man. We got like a fucking 20-car caravan just for moi. Okay. Just for me though. Look. Oh, man. We got whips. Feel me? Just for moi. Oh yeah, they got Hellcat and stuff out today. That's crazy. Woo! Damn. Just got the whips, boy.
Everybody outside today,
man. On me, everybody out today. What? That shit, wow.
Your shit anyway.
Man, dude, I should've. I wanted to so bad it just wouldn't have worked out. Man, we out here today, B. Niggas is not playing. Oh shit, let me get some photos. Man, we out here today, man. Hey, man, we out here, man. We got Hellcats, man. We got the joints. Got that over there. A little bit of this over here. Hey, man. I wish I could have slid today, man. It was good.
Good, fool. That shit gotta get a break every now and then.
This nigga got the wheels on here.
Everybody need to pay attention, nigga. It's cops everywhere.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas over ramming your motor. The cops are right here.
Right here on these tires. Got the woo! Motherfucker sticky in this motherfucker.
That's what I'm saying.
I mean, we got some whips out here, man. This motherfucker nice. He got the C6. Is it fast or no?
Oh no.
No. Is it fast or no? We got the Stinger out here, man. You feel me? We take up the whole damn gas station though. Ooh, got the 2019 thing. Yes, sir. Big 2019. See the vet. Big Mustangs.
Stupid ass. Big dumbass.
This nigga is
dumbass motherfucker.
Hey, look, he got the camera.
Dumbass.
Them niggas is wild, B. I'm dying. Fuck.
Bro, I'm gonna smack.
I'm dying. Yes, sir. You see us, guys. We are out here today. Wish I can bring my car, but you know, couldn't bring it today. So let's try to get up this mountain before it gets too dark. Damn, it's a grip of us up here, yo. Oh my god. Damn, niggas got whips. That's how we gotta pull up. Okay.
Lil' girlfriend's bop, go ham on a cot. Wetter than a yacht, mama used to hit pop. Condition, just listen, she strip for tuition. Get the bitch mad and watch fire. Bitch, I got fire, better take that off the mind. I'm the old niggas get rockin', they like us. Bitch all in my DMs tryna fuck.
Oh,
go up.
Hey, on me it is. That shit way different, huh? Say you about to get cracking? That motherfucker do, man. Shit. Oh man, nigga in the back. I ain't about to get hit. Fuck that. That nigga wild. On me.
Hey, that shit nice.
On me, he started getting. Guys, would you look at this view, man? This thing looks so freaking gorgeous. I don't even know where we're at. Slide off the mountain then, nigga. That nigga got a pack. Oh, fuck. That was about to be bad.
It's easier going to the left.
You just gotta keep up.
My shit overheating.
I'm like, is it, nigga?
You better park that motherfucker.
Let me do it. That nigga talking about his shit.
He about to do some more donuts. He don't give a fuck.